Mustang.
What kind of Mustang is it?
GT350R.
You just read that. You didn't remember that. You just read it off the chassis number, man. What's going on, man? We in the GT350R right now. I got my daughter, Bree, in the car with me, and we going for a ride, man. So this is her first time in the car. And is this your first time in the car, or is it first time in the car since I finished breaking it in and I can go crazy? Or is it just your first time at all? Like,
I think this is my first time.
wow.
In this car.
In this Mustang?
Yeah, I was definitely in your old Mustang, but I've never been in this Mustang.
You made a mistake today. Alright, so we about to hit the road. If the footage is shaky, it's, you know what I mean? So, got a rookie behind the camera over here. But hopefully we get some good footage. Stay tuned. Alright, so we just got some gas. Is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. We just got some gas. So now, we about to hit the road. This guy get this little car out the way. Put the camera at this little car, man. What's this guy doing? Show the people this little car. Just spin it around. All you gotta do is spin the camera around. Spin it around and hold it. Show them the weirdo. Alright, hold it back.
What's that?
Alright, you might want to keep it mostly like on you, cause
What does that mean?
like hold it, face you, because everybody's gonna want to see your reactions since this is your first time in a Mustang. You know what I mean? We ain't speeding yet. This is slow.
No, why is the car making this noise? Mom would be crying right now.
Oh, do you now 11?
Hmm?
I said you're 11 years old now, right?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe this will be your car one day. You got to learn how to drive it though. It's not easy like a regular car where you just steer and press the gas. Like you got stick shift, you got clutch, you got a whole lot of things going on. I got 3 pedals over here. 3. Think you can handle that?
No.
You got to learn, man. You got to learn.
You might not even have this car when I'm 12.
Nah, come on, man. You got to believe in me. I can keep a car longer than a year.
But can you? Can you really? You only had your other Mustang for 6 months.
I know, it's sad, man. It's sad what happened to that car, man. But the plan is to keep this one and then pass it down to you or Pop or
You realize that you're
someone.
gonna keep a car for 6 years when you could barely keep it for 6 months?
Listen, we're gonna see. We are going to
And you're probably
see.
just gonna keep upgrading Mustangs. And then one day you're gonna end up with a Mustang that has like 7 pedals.
7 pedals.
Who knows?
So you think this could be a good everyday car?
What do you mean?
Like, out of all the cars, damn, I got too many cars. Alright, so out of the big AT4 diesel truck, the Slingshot, the 7 Series BMW,
Mm-hmm.
or this, which one do you think was like better for driving every single day?
I feel like it depends. It's like kind of depends on where you're going. Like if you're just going for like a drive, you can go in the Mustang, but
No, I'm not talking about if you're just going for a drive or if you're just going to the mall. I'm talking about every single day. If I had to just pick one and I could just have to drive it every day, which one would you think would be the best daily driver? You think this is too much to be driving every day? Too low, too fast?
this would probably be too low for the winter. or too crazy. And your slingshot wouldn't work in the winter.
Why not?
Because it's roofless.
Good point, good point.
And your BMW is like just a normal car, like mom's car. And then your truck. Like
Truck is ready for every season,
yeah,
right?
so I think you should do your truck for an everyday car for the rest of your life.
This actually has a snow mode, but it wouldn't be any fun. This car is way too powerful for the snow. It would just be spinning in circles.
Remember in your old monster truck, or maybe just old, I don't even know, and we went in the parking lot across the street and started spinning in circles on the ice?
Doing donuts in the church parking lot.
Donuts.
All right, man, so, in fact, let me get Bree in the camera real quick. All right, so, we back at the storage unit. Did you have fun? Was this car too fast for you? No?
No.
I should have went faster, man. I knew she could have handled like 200. But, nonetheless, man, we back here at the storage unit. We're about to switch out, get the BMW, go home. She's gonna throw some wings on the grill. It's her turn to cook dinner tonight, man. I'm not cooking, you cooking. All right, so I guess I'm cooking. So, you already know what to do, man. Hit that, what they gotta do?
They have to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video.
That's it. You heard it. Kids don't lie, man.
It's
subscribe, hit the notification bell, and what?
And like this video.
And like this video. All good, bro. Woo. As you can see, I almost left my GoPro in the storage unit with the Mustang. Damn it, man.